A very good morning to all of you. Let me welcome you all for this English class. Today we are going to see chapter 11, which is your prose, The Hunt. Okay, we are going to see an interesting lesson, The Hunt, which is written by Anna Sewell. Okay, Anna Sewell is the author of this story. See, she has written a novel called Black Beauty. Black Beauty is a novel which is the only novel which is written by Anna Sewell. This is the only work, literary work she has done. Because of injury, she can't continue her literary work. Okay, it is written by Black Beauty is a novel which is written by Anna Sewell. One of the chapter was The Hunt. The Hunt is one of the chapter that of her novel Black Beauty. The story is from the novel Black Beauty. Okay, The Hunt. Abindrale, you all may get on the hunting pati. Okay, something related to animal and the hunter. Okay, that is what we are going to see in this chapter. Let's take page number 98. Take your book, page number 98. Anna Sewell, we'll just see about author. Anna Sewell was born on March 30, 1820 in Great Yarmouth, Norfolk, England. Okay, she belongs to England. Having suffered an injury at the young age of 14, she could no longer use her legs and had to depend on crutches. Okay, அதாவது அந்த ஸ்டீல் இதுதான், இந்த crutches தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு லெக் இன்ஜுரி இருந்ததுனால she can't walk. She used crutches and mostly she used to go out by horse vehicle வச்சுதான். ஓகேவா? Okay, horse-drawn carriages for outdoor movements which contributed to her love for horses and concern about cruelty to animals. Animals கிட்ட எவ்வளோ cruel-ஆ நடந்துக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்றத பற்றி தான் she was writing about this novel. Okay, Black Beauty. She is well known for her novel Black Beauty, which is her only published work. அவங்க publish பண்ண workல this is the only work which is published. Okay, Black Beauty. Her ill health prevented her from exploring her literary talent to the fullest அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அதாவது she can't continue her literary works because of her injury. Okay, அவங்களோட ill healthனால she can't continue her work. Okay, with that you just see the get set. You may all have seen the images. They were how the men are treating the animals. See, look at this, sports related to animals. Okay va, first is circus la, okay va, and racing, horse racing, how the animal is treated, and the next one is and the yak adu, and cock வந்துட்டு ஃபைட் பண்றது, cock fighting. These were how the animals are treated. அத பத்தி தான் இந்த இமேஜ்ல they have given you. And with this we move on to reading junction. Take page number 99 in your book. Let us read a story about one of the most cruel forms of sport and the cost human beings sometimes pay just for the sake of entertainment. ஒரு entertainmentக்காக how the human beings are giving அதாவது காஸ்ட்னா அதுக்கான விளைவு. ஓகேவா, வாட் இஸ் த இம்பேக்ட் ஆஃப் அந்த ஒரு சின்ன என்டர்டைன்மெண்ட்காக வாட் தே ஆர் ஸ்பெண்டிங் அப்படின்றது தான். ஓகேவா? ஓகே, see, let's read the story. Before I was 2 years old, a circumstance happened which I have never forgotten. It was early in the spring. There had been a little frost in the night and a little mist still hung over the woods and meadows. Okay, what is the meaning of meadows? Meadows na enna, or field. It is a field of grass. நம்ம தரையிலலாம் grass இருக்கும் இல்லையா, that is called meadows அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Meadows are nothing but field of grass. Okay, field of grass. Okay va? Okay, so it is nothing but, what is that ma? அவங்க who is the speaker we don't know. They are just telling I was 2 years old. ஒரு நான் 2 வயசா இருக்கும்போது I was on that day ஒரு மார்னிங், early morningல it was frost இருந்துச்சு. ஒரு கூலிங்கான ஸ்ப்ரிங் சீசன்ல it has frost in the night and we have அந்த பனித்துளி வந்துட்டு அந்த grasses and அந்த கொஞ்சம் மிஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு அந்த வுட்ஸ்லேயும் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு இட் ஸ்டில் ஹங் இன் தேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? அண்ட் ஐ அண்ட் அதர் கால்ஸ் were feeding at the lower part of the field when we heard quite in the distance what sounded like the cry of dogs. The oldest of the calls raised his head and pricked his ears and said, "There are hounds," and immediately cantered off, followed by the rest of us to the upper part of the field where we could look over the hedge and see several fields beyond. அதாவது என்னது, what they have told, I and other calls. What is the meaning of calls? Young male horse. Okay va? So you all know who is the speaker of the story? Horse. Okay va? ஒரு young horse is speaking. Okay, and the horse தான் the story வந்து சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கு. Okay va? One fine day morning we have been grassing in the lower part of the field, but we hear one of the sound, ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் அலற sound மாதிரி we hear one among the calls. and the calls-ல அதாவது young male horses எல்லாமே they were grassing. At that time they were hearing some sound. and the sound கேட்கும்போது among them one was older. Okay, and the older called, and the youngலயே கொஞ்சம் வயசானவங்க, அவங்க 2 வயசுனா for example he may be 4 years old. Okay va? So he is just அவங்களோட ஹெட்டை ரைஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்குறாங்க. வாட் இஸ் தேட் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது நல்ல சவுண்டு. pricked his earsனா மீனிங் என்னம்மா, paid attention. என்ன சவுண்ட் அது அப்படின்னு நுண்ணிப்பாக கவனிப்போம் இல்லையா. he is giving attention to listen to the sound. என்ன சவுண்ட் அது அப்படின்றத they were listening to it. So they found that they were hounds. Hounds means what? Hounds na a type of dog that is used for hunting. Hunting kaga use பண்ணக்கூடிய dog name da. Okay va? It is called hounds. Hounds means type of dog used for hunting. Type of dog used for hunting. Okay, so one of the older called வந்து it is telling that அது வந்து ஒன்றும் இல்லை, they were hounds அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. So they went அது வந்து it is and immediately cantered off அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, cantered means what? ஸ்பீடாக போகிறாங்க. ஓகேவா, குடுகுடன் அந்த every horses were moving to the upper part of the field. போயிட்டு they are seeing என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்றத they was looking at the fieldல பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. My mother and old riding horse of our masters were also standing near and seemed to know all about it. They have found a hare, said my mother, and if they come this way we shall see the hunt அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So what is that? My mother அப்படின்னா the young colt ஓட mother and old riding horse of our masters அப்படின்னா அவங்க master is the masterோட old riding horse. These two people were also standing near and எல்லாமே அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும், because mother is young coltsக்கு they doesn't know about hunting இல்லையா. So mother and old riding horse know what is happening in there அப்படின்னு they all know. Okay, this is what they have seen. They have found a hare அப்படின்னா என்னது? what is hare? rabbit. ஓகேவா, they have found a hare. அது வந்து ஒரு ரேபிட்டை பார்த்துட்டாங்க அப்படின்றத who is telling? her young coltோட mother is telling. Okay, and if they come this way we shall see the hunt. If the hunting people come this way, அந்த இடத்துல dogs were there, and also அந்த dogs வந்துட்டு they were running towards rabbit. They were running towards rabbit to hunt it. Okay, அந்த இதை வந்துட்டு கடிக்கிறதுக்காக they were hunting towards it. Okay, they were running towards it. So if they come this way we can also see what is happening அப்படின்னா the young colt's speaker's mother is telling. Okay, and soon the dogs were all tearing down the field of young wheat next to us. I never heard such a noise as they made. They did not bark nor howl nor whine, but kept on yo at the top of their voices. After them came a number of men on horseback, some of them in green coats, all galloping as fast as they could. The old horse snorted and looked eagerly after them, and we young colts wanted to be galloping with them. but they soon disappeared into the field lower down. Here it seemed as if they had came to stand. The dogs left off barking and ran about every way with their noses to the ground. So what is that? I hope you can understand something. Okay, they want the dogs were running towards the rabbit. Okay, beyond the dogs, the hunting men. Okay, men in horse ride பண்ணிட்டு some of the men were also chasing them. Okay, and the dogs are chase பண்ணி who is going? The hunting men were moving. Okay, in their horses போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? and soon the dogs அந்த இடத்துல mother is telling that they have seen a hare, rabbit பார்த்தாங்க, அதனால தான் they were going for hunt அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. At that time they were moving, tearing down means what is the meaning of tearing down? Come at great speed through the field அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So what is that? They moved down speedily to the wheat field இருந்துச்சு அந்த இடத்துக்கு. They were running towards that field which is next to them, and the grass they were grassing in the field இல்லையா? Near that field there is a wheat field. In that they went and they were sounding like yo and the dogs were sounding, and they were followed by young, and what is that? They were followed by and the huntmen. Okay, huntsmen were following them, and they soon disappeared. Everyone went to lower down, கீழே ஃபீல்டுக்கு போயிட்டாங்க, because every horses went to upper field. Then இப்போ dogs எல்லாம் கீழே வந்ததும் everyone started to move down. Okay, dogs bark பண்ணிட்டு அந்த bark, howl, whine அப்படின்னா it was a sound of dogs. ஓகேவா? Okay, they started to they left a bark பண்ணிட்டு they were searching in the ground. எங்க அந்த they were searching for the rabbit. Okay, they were searching for hare. So now the old horse வந்துட்டு அந்த என்ன hunt நடக்குது அப்படின்றதுல ஒரு it was very eagerly waiting to see what is happening அப்படின்றது. So young colts also following them. It started for every young horses started following the old horse and her mother. Okay, they have lost the scent, said the old horse. Perhaps the hare will get off அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So what is this? They have lost the scent, said the old horse அப்படினா they have missed the rabbit. Rabbit எங்கயோ விட்டுட்டாங்க. That is what they were searching. The dogs were keeping their nose in the grass அப்படினு சொல்றாங்கல. So மோந்து பார்த்துட்டே it was searching. Okay, it was searching the rabbit. So this is what the old horse is telling. Okay, what hare? I said. Oh no. Oh, I don't know what hare. Likely enough it may be our own hares out of the woods. Any hare they can find will do for the dogs and men to run after. And before long the dogs began their yo-yo again, and back they came altogether at full speed, making straight for our meadow at the part where high bank and hedge overhang the brook அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So what is in this? So the old horse is telling that they have lost the hare காணோம். That is what they were searching. Maybe it may have escaped, and the hare escape ஆயிருக்கலாம். Perhaps means maybe. Perhaps means maybe. Okay, maybe or possibly. Get off means escape. Get off means escape. Get off is a phrasal verb. Okay, get off is a phrasal verb. Which means escape. Perhaps means maybe or possibly, இருக்கலாம், ஒருவேளை அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So that is called perhaps. Okay. So they again started searching for dogs. Okay, searching for rabbit, and at the same time they went to lower field and they started searching. The rabbit போயிட்டு it was hiding inside the wood கடியில it was hiding. So at that time the dogs have seen the rabbit. They started saying yo again. Okay, huntsman also started chasing them. Now we shall see the hare, said my mother, and just then a hare, wild with fright, rushed by and made for the woods. On came the dogs. They burst over the bank, leaped the stream, and came dashing across the field, followed by the huntsman. 6 or 8 men leaped their horses clean over and close upon the dogs, and the hare tried to get through the fence. It was too thick, and she turned sharp round to make for the road, but it was too late. The dogs were upon her with their wild cries. We heard one shriek, and that was the end of her. One of the huntsmen rode up and whipped off the dogs, who would soon have torn her to pieces. He held her up by the leg torn and bleeding, and all the gentlemen seemed not only unaffected but well pleased. So what do you understand in this stanza ma? So making them straight for a meadow at the path where high bank and hedge overhang the brook. Brook means what is the meaning of brook? Brook na small stream. Okay, small stream. Overhang na it is extended outwards. அதாவது அந்த ஸ்மால் ஸ்ட்ரீம்னா ரிவர், ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ரிவர் மாதிரி ஒரு பிளேஸ் வந்துட்டு இருந்திருக்கு. There the dogs were chasing the rabbit. Okay, at the time the rabbit was hiding behind the wood, but it was trying to run through the fence. And the fence valiya namu poyirலாம் தப்பிச்சு போயிரலாம் அப்படிን it was trying to escape, but it can't escape from the dogs. Then whipped off அப்படினா என்னது, சாட்டையால அடிச்சு, அதாவது the huntsmen and the rider men வந்துட்டு they were wiping it, அதாவது சாட்டையை வச்சு அடிக்கிறாங்க the dog. You just get that rabbit வந்துட்டு அது புடிங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி they were hitting it by சாட்டை. Okay வா. Okay, then soon the dogs torn all and the rabbit வந்து கடிச்சு they have killed the rabbit. Okay, it was the end of the rabbit, and ஒரு sound கத்தி it was died. As for me, I was astonished that I did not at first sight what was going on by the brook. So and the young cock doesn't know about hunting. Yeah, this is what usually happen அப்படின்றது it doesn't know. So அதுக்கு it was surprised by seeing all these things. Astonished means it was surprised. Okay, surprised. Astonished means surprised, which is given in your page number 100, first the last stanza la first line la it was given. As for me, I was so astonished that I did not at first see what was happening by the brook. Brook means small stream, and ஒரு கரையில, ஓகேவா, ரிவர்ல. So but when I did look, there was a sad sight. 2 fine horses were down. So they have seen a sad sight also. 2 fine horses were down. One was struggling in the stream and the other was groaning on the grass. One of the riders was getting out of the water covered with mud. The other lay quite still அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So what is this அப்படினா, see, so by that time they have seen rabbit, they have killed the rabbit. Yeah, dogs have killed the rabbit. At that time they have seen the horses, the young horses are also seen a sad sight called, what is that அப்படினா, they have seen 2 horses. One is struggling in the water, and the river la one is struggling, and the other one was groaning means to make deep sad sound because of pain. And the valiila kattikiட்டு இருக்குது, and the grass la it was giving pain, it was giving sound like it has a heavy pain, ரொம்ப pain இருக்குறதுனால it was giving sound. Okay, horses. Other was grounding on the grass, and the grass la you just see the picture, one is in the stream and one is trying to get out of the stream, அதுல இருந்து வெளியே வரணும் அப்படினு one is trying, and the other is அந்த grassல அந்த வலிக்குது அப்படின்ற sound it is giving the sound. Okay, one of the riders was getting out of the water covered with mud, அதாவது அந்த see 2 horses were it was அது அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா obviously the rider will also get into the stream இல்லையா. So one was getting out of the water covered with mud, அதாவது அந்த சகதியில இருந்து it is getting one of the rider is getting out and the other was laying still, அதாவது அப்படியே அமைதியா அப்படியே படுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா. His neck is broke, said my mother. his mother is telling that one of the person oda neck vandu broke aiduchu appdin solranga and serve him right too, said one of the courts. One of the court is telling that we'll just serve him, avangala vandu veliye edha help pannalam appdin solranga. I thought the same, but my mother did not join with us. Well, no, she said, you must not say that, but though I am an old horse, I have seen and heard a great deal, I never yet could make out why men are so fond of this sport. They often hurt themselves, often spoil good horses, tear up the field, and all for a hare or a fox or a stag that they could get more easily some other way, but we are only horses and don't know appdin solranga. So from this you all can understand. So what the mother is telling, we'll just help him appdin the young courts are telling, but his mother is telling don't do that, we are just horses appdin sollite he's telling his mother is telling that why I don't know, I am an old horse, but I don't know that why people are very much fond of this na, why they love doing this hunting for the sake of or a rabbit kaga or fox kaga, for a stag means or male deer, okay, deer man or basic or a deer kaga or a rabbit, and for fox they were just hurting themselves and also spoiling the good horses appdin solranga. See, because of hunting, one person was two horses and two riders were affected, they were affect aayirukanga, okay va, accidentally they were affected, okay. So even they can get all these things easier ava idha vida easyana wayla they can get it, but they were just doing this hunting process appdin solranga, because they were chasing the hunting dogs and the dogs were chasing the rabbit, fox and stag. They were follow பண்றாங்க இல்லையா. So this will affect the even animal and the rider too அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? While my mother was saying this, we stood and looked on. Many of the riders had gone to the young man, but my master, who had been watching what was going on, was the first to raise him. See, every riders, what all these riders was எல்லாரும் ஐயோ கீழே வந்துட்டாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு everyone was reaching them, but his master only went speed and raised him. அவங்க he was staying still இல்லையா. So they ran to him and he raised, the master வந்துட்டு raised him. Okay, his head fell back, but my master, who had been watching, take page number 101 in that first stanza. Okay, many of the riders had gone to the young man, but my master, who had been watching what was going on, was the first to raise him. But his master was not participating in that hunting. He was just staying along with him, along with old horse, and old horse was the master's horse, and his mother also. Everyone were grassing தான், எல்லாருமே grass பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, grassing fieldல they were just grassing on the field. Then his master rushed to him and he was trying to save him. Okay, his head fell back and his arms hung down and everyone looked very serious. அதாவது he was dead. The young man ஒரு ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தாங்க இல்லையா, that person was dead. His head fell back and his arms hung down and everyone looked very serious. There was no noise now. Even the dogs were quiet and seemed to know that something was wrong. ஏதோ தப்பு நடந்திருக்கு அப்படின்றது the young court tried to understand. They carried him to our master's house. I heard afterward that it was the young George Gordon, the squire's only son, a fine tall young man and the pride of his family. So the rider who was died was George Gordon. He was the only son of squire அப்படின்றவங்க, அதாவது லேண்ட் ஓனர். ஓகேவா, நிறைய லேண்ட் வச்சிருக்க லேண்ட் ஓனரோட ஒரு only son தான், who is that George Gordon. He is a young man, tall young man and the pride of his family. அவங்க ஃபேமிலிலே ரொம்ப ஒரே son இல்லையா. So he is the pride of his family. There was now riding off in all direction to the doctors, to the farriers, and no doubt to Squire's garden to let him know about his son. Adavadhu what is that? They were just trying to go to what? அவங்களுக்கு வந்து கால் அடிபட்டுருச்சு, and also they were taking him to doctor, and they were farrier means an ironsmith who makes shoes for horses, and also for horses shoes பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, they were taking them to there also. Okay, to the farriers, and no doubt to Squire's garden. அவங்க father கிட்ட they wanted to let his father know that about his son, because he was affected அப்படின்றது தெரியணும் அப்படின்றதுக்காக. And when Mr. Bond the farrier Mr. Bond was a farrier. Okay, farrier means he is an ironsmith who makes shoes for horses, came to look at the black horse that lay grounding on the grass. He felt him all over and shook his head. Adavadhu his legs was broken, one of his legs was broken. Adavadhu why? And the riders kaga they were going to doctor, and for the horses kaga they were calling farrier they were calling to cure the horses. Okay, horses parunga அப்படின்ட்டு they were calling the farrier, and they were taking the young man George Gordon to doctor கிட்ட கொண்டு போறாங்க. And one horse was groaning on the grass இல்லையா, and the farrier was Mr. Bond was coming and he was seeing the horse, his legs was broken and he felt எல்லாமே முடிஞ்சிருச்சு அப்படின்ற மாதிரி he was telling. Okay, then someone ran to our master's house and came back with a gun. Presently there was loud bang and dreadful shriek, and all was still. The black horse moved no more அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. அதாவது black horse வந்துட்டு black horse வந்துட்டு dead ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. He came with a gun and presently there was loud bang and dreadful shriek. அந்த horse வந்துட்டு சுட்டுட்டாங்க. ஓகேவா, the horse was killed. Okay, my mother seemed much troubled. She said she had known that horse for years, and that his name was Rob Roy. He was a good horse and there was no vice in him. She never would go to the part of the field afterward. அதாவது என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த ராப் ராய் அப்படின்றது தான் அந்த ஹார்ஸ் which was groaning on the grass, அந்த வலியா ரொம்ப பெயினால it was giving sound இல்லையா. So that horse was shot down by a man. Okay, shot down by a man. So கொன்னுட்டாங்க, it was killed. The young Colt's mother, okay, his mother was feeling that I know this horse for years, ரொம்ப வருஷமா I know him, he was a good horse, there is no wrong in him. இவங்க horse, how do the horses know? The horses does not know இல்லையா, it is just a animal. We people are doing hunting for sake of us, நமக்காக we are wasting horses இல்லையா. So this how do, there is no wrong in him. அந்த ஹார்ஸ் மேலே எந்த தப்புமே இல்லை, it is full and full, it is because of rider. Okay, because he gives the instruction to the horse to do that. Okay, then that is what the horse does. Yeah, so the mother felt that she would not go to that part hereafter, and the field ke I will not go there அப்படின்ற மாதிரி, because he know this horse for years. So which is the horse? Rob Roy is the horse of George Gordon. George Gordon oda horse da yaru? Rob Roy. Okay. Not many days after we heard the church bell tolling for a long time. Looking over the gate we saw a long strange black coach that was covered with black cloth and was drawn by black horses. After that came another and another and another, all were black, while the bell kept tolling. Tolling means ringing. Okay, bell அடிச்சிட்டே, இந்த church bell was ringing அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. They were carrying young Gordon to the churchyard to bury him. They were taking the young Gordon because he was dead earlier. They were taking him to churchyard to bury him. Okay, he would never ride again. What they did with Rob Roy I never knew, but it was all for little hair அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. So with this, so what is the end of the story? For just ஒரு rabbit காக they have killed her horse and also ஒரு rider also was died அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. For just a sake of what is that, ஒரு ஹேர்க்காக ஃபார் ஹண்டிங் பர்பஸ்க்காக மெனி பீப்புள் வேர் வேஸ்டிங் தேர் லிவ்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? திஸ் இஸ் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி. ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆல் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். வில் ஜஸ்ட் ரீகால் ஆல் த ஹார்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இஸ் colt. Colt means young male horse, who is the speaker of this story. And meadows means field of grass. Pricked his ears means paid attention. Tearing down means come at great speed through the fence. That is speed varadu. Okay va? Perhaps means maybe or possibly. Get off means escape. Astonished means surprise. Brook na small stream. Groaning means to make deep sad sound because of pain. Okay, stag means male deer. Hounds means a type of dog used for hunting. Okay, Rob Roy is the horse which horse of George Gordon, okay, which was dead, and George Gordon is the squire's only son. It is the hunt is a chapter which is chapter from a novel Black Beauty, which is the only published work of Anna Sewell. Okay, I hope you all understand this chapter very well. With this I end up this chapter. We will see the vocabulary junction and grammar station in the next class. Okay, thank you students.